Amazon. I got these. This came earlier today. It's the little teeny tiny glass ovals that go in your little bizzles with the trays.
Pretty. Ooh.
Huh?
They're pretty.
A thing to put them in. A bag. I got, oh my goodness, they're big. I thought they were smaller than that. These are cutters. Polymer clay cutters.
Oh, I thought you were talking about the scissors. I was like, obviously.
Nope, the cutter in here. Huge. Get out of the box. Yeah, awesome. Rose petal cutter set. It's a 10-piece. Woohoo! Perfecto.
That's cool.
My black polymer clay. 8 ounces, which I've been waiting for. This little bad
Ooh,
boy.
Can you give me a black rose with that?
This little bad boy is my UV lights for my polymer clay and my resin pieces for the UV resin.
What does that do?
It use UV resin in it.
I don't know anything what that means. I'm sure some people on Facebook don't.
Keep that. Yay!
Nice.
Sure, there's a reason for that. Is there a top to? Oh, that's Marty Pants. That's where that goes. Oh,
Cool. Does it go on a tray in there?
yep, it's a tray.
It's like a little tanning bed for your clays.
Yeah,
That's
you know how
cool.
people usually would put their hand in and dry their nails
Yeah.
with a UV light for that UV
Yeah.
nail polish? Well, this is for UV resin.
Nice.
Hot diggity dog diggity. See?
Inside.
Isn't it cool? It's got this little tray you pull out, put your stuff on it.
Cool.
Oh, Newly. Glad I got this one and didn't settle for that one at Wish because it was tiny.
You want me to stop recording it?
For this bad boy.
Is that good?
This is awesome, yes. I got my UV light